Hello, and welcome to Chico State's Math 131 Introduction to Python. My name is Edward. Here is our course homepage. There's a target audience here. Mostly this class is for students or faculty who are interested in getting up and running with Python in order to complete some sort of data analysis. The course, for the most part, skips over the standard computer science introduction to a new programming language. So we are going to be missing a number of core components of the language Python, but we are going to be moving quickly into tidying up some data, visualizing a data set, making a reproducible research document, and having some sort of conclusion to be made about a data set. We are intentionally skipping over some of the more common introductions to a programming language in order to get yourself hands-on with data as soon as possible. This is the home page over here to the course. On the left, you can see the basic sections of the website. On the right, you can see the subsections within each page. So if I scroll down a little bit here to the schedule, you'll see the schedule pops up, and at this point it's just the same outline that you would see here on the left. So let's get started with the syllabus. So the syllabus has a number of subsections here. I'm only going to take you through a few of them. I encourage you to read the rest on your own, in your own time, or by pausing the video as we go. Here's a course description. I'll leave that one to you. Logistics. Here's the course webpage. This is where we are currently at. The modality for this course is only 5 weeks. And this semester specifically, the course is asynchronous and online. In order to foster better communication between the students and the faculty and the students, we have a Discord server for which you can hop on and ask questions anytime you like. Hopefully someone else is on there and can provide a reasonably good answer to your questions quickly. Here's my name again. Here's my personal office. Here's my email address. We're going to be using this webpage instead of Canvas throughout the semester. So hopefully there will be a link from Canvas to this website. Student support, I will offer office hours this semester. As the semester gets going, I will update this webpage to have the time and day. Most of the office hours for this course will be in Miriam Library's Innovation Lab. If none of the times above work for you when they are listed, please email me at my email above so we can find a time that works for us both. Here's a subsection on the Discord channel. Community coding is like a space for anybody near the community of Chico State to get together and learn mathematics, computer science, statistics, what have you. This is actually how I will probably hold most of my office hours this semester in Miriam Library's Innovation Lab, is just kind of me sitting around somewhere in the library, the Innovation Lab, waiting for people to come ask questions, whether they're a part of this course or not. Here's some learning outcomes. You can get to that one on your own. Here's a schedule of topics on your own. Required materials. For this course, you'll need a laptop or at least access to some sort of machine that can get to the internet. You will need a reliable internet connection both on and off campus if you plan on doing your work off campus. Here's a fairly standard copy and paste time commitment from the university guidelines. Grading for this course goes as follows. The course is credit, no credit, so effectively there's 100 points possible in the course. You must earn 75 points or more to get credit. Assignments are worth 10 points apiece. We have course notes that you are asked to fill out for 7.5 points apiece. At the 5th week, there's an exploratory data analysis worth 20 points, and you will be reviewing your classmates, at least you will review one of your classmates' projects for 10 points, and that's how you can get your 100 points total. The assignments and notes are due after each week's lessons, Sunday by midnight. Everyone's welcome in our class. There's some more words for you to read about it. Chico State is beginning to better recognize its history, and so we have an appreciation statement to the Mechoopda here, which I think is great. Here's some more copy and pasted pieces from the university. I encourage you to read them on your own and let me know if you need help with any of them. I am here to help, and I'm happy to. We'll move on to week 0. Math 131 is a 1-unit course for the first 5 weeks of the Chico State semester. This course is offered by the Math and Stats department, so it is a little different than a standard computer science intro to Python. This course will consist of lessons, notes, videos, and assignments. We will learn Python through Google Colab notebooks. Let's take each of those in turn. Lessons are the web pages found on this website, listed here. There is a lesson for each of the 5 weeks of the course. Lessons have associated notes, and each note is effectively something like an empty Google Colab notebook where you're to fill in the blanks as part of your grade. Each note is worth 7.5 points. The videos aim to replace or complement lectures dependent on the format of the course for each semester. So for instance, here in spring 2025, this course is asynchronous and online. These videos are your lectures for the semester. You're to follow along the videos and go through each lesson, filling out your notes as you go. The lessons will have code in them, and I will explain in the videos most pieces of code, but certainly not all. I'm trying to make these videos a little bit shorter, and so I'm going to leave some of the lessons out of the videos, and it's your responsibility to complete your notes for the parts of the lessons that the videos skipped. Each week has an assignment. Starting with week 1, you're responsible for completing the assignments throughout the course. For the assignments, you will use Google Colab, which you can access for free with your student user account associated with Chico State. We will use Google Colab to write our assignments and our notes. I'm going to leave for a next video the Colab notebook that's supposed to help us get started with understanding what it means to write a reproducible document by weaving together text and code.